Hello friends, I am Bignesh Kumar. In the previous videos, we discussed what is viscosity and the causes of viscosity. In this class, we will discuss some important problems of viscosity. So let's start. First question is, a plate 0.025 mm distant from a fixed plate moves at 60 centimeter per second. This is the question. And requires a force of 2 Newton per meter square to maintain this speed. Determine the fluid viscosity between the plates. This means it asked about dynamic viscosity, and we know the formula for dynamic viscosity, that is tau equal to mu du by dy. Here we have to know first of all what is tau, what is du, and what is dy. Then we can easily calculate what is mu. So first, this is a fixed plate. On this plate or one another plate is there, it is moving with a velocity of 60 centimeter per second. Now a force of 2 Newton per meter square. From the unit you can understand it is actually the shear stress, and shear stress is 2 Newton per meter square. And this plate is fixed and the upper plate is moving with 60 centimeter per second. 60 centimeter per second means what? 0.6 meter per second. So du means what? This velocity minus this velocity, इस प्लेट का velocity माइनस इसका, तो क्या हो जाएगा? 0.6 मीटर पर सेकेंड. Now so after putting, what you will get? Tau equal to 2 and du equal to 0.6, and the distance between them is what? Distance उनके अंदर क्या बोला है? That is 0.025 millimeter. Means what? 0.025 millimeter होगा, यहाँ पे 0.025 millimeter होगा. Okay, so into 10 to the minus 3, then what you will get? That is 8.33 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton second per meter square. So this is very easy question. Now coming to the next question. Now let's see this question. This is a previous year question of GATE 2018. So you first read the question carefully and after that we will discuss. So let's start. In this question you see he is asking about the velocity, in which velocity the block is coming downward, the velocity. So here the block experiences two type of forces. One is the gravitational force or its own weight towards downward, and the other force is the frictional force or shear force towards upward. Why towards upward? Because the block is moving towards downward. And the shear force or frictional force is what? Mu a v by h. We already discussed how we will get this. And the gravitational force is what? Its weight is mg. And after equating, you can easily get what is the velocity. By putting all the values already given in the question, you can get the velocity. This is a very simple question asked in 2018 GATE. Now coming to the next question. In the next question you see a simple, you first read the question. This is also a previous year question of GATE 2014. In this question a shaft is there and a bearing is there, and the gap between the shaft and bearing is given, that is 2 mm gap, and diameter of the shaft is 100 millimeter. It is also given diameter of the shaft is 100 millimeter, and the speed is 10 meter per second, and its frictional resisting force is asking about frictional resisting force, and length is also given. Frictional resisting force, how you will get? Already we told frictional resisting force is what? F equal to mu a v by h. So here how we get mu, we already know, v already given, that is 10, h already given, that is 2 mm. Everything we know, only the thing we have to know is what? A. So how to calculate A? That means the contact surface. The contact surface means what? You see here, the contact surface between the bearing and the shaft is what? That is the perimeter of the shaft into the length, pi d into L. Pi d L is what? The contact surface, because this is the surface, is the contact surface between the bearing and the shaft. Okay, so the contact surface is pi d into L. So by putting all the values you will get A, and after getting A you just put in the formula, that is F equal to mu A du by dy, you will get the answer. These are the very easy questions we solved. Now in the next class we will see what is surface tension. It is a very interesting topic. So thank you.